Hey, my some videos get good views, but others not. Why? Because we are not identify a perfect need in market. So how we find it? By using some AI tools and doing some basic analysis, you will get a perfect SEO friendly YouTube idea and description. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get an idea which is not only follow trend but it will increase your views continuously in future also by using your phone. First you have to figure out what is the question that every person search on YouTube or Google. It is about everyday need like for money, for motivation, for trending topic and so on. But make sure this will lie among your channel niche, right? When you figure out, so now it's time to check this topic is really matter in this time or not. So I select money, search on YouTube. Means title will be question or answer. Here in my case, money keyword comes before how to and online comes after. So it becomes question style, right? But how you find this before and after keyword? This is very simple. Just come to the YouTube search bar and type your selected keyword. In my case, this is money. And see what comes on the top of the search bar. Select those keywords and now give space to before first keyword and see what comes in the first place of keyword. In my case, comes how to. But wait, how we know that this topic is trending or can be run for a long period of time? Don't worry, I have solution for that. By analyzing this title on Google Trends, click on Explore and now paste your title here and select 12 month here. If the selected topic graph is shown like this, then your selected topic is good, but your graph is shown like downfall, then you need to change your topic. But here is the exceptional keywords which are not come in this rule like Corona, recent event, Sora AI, Gemini AI, etc. Scroll down here, you will see breakouts. This is same as what we had done in YouTube search bar. You can also use a free SEO keyword search tool for further research on your topic. You can also use vidIQ for that, but I'm not recommend you if you are a beginner because it is a freemium tool. But I will give you some other AI tools in the description for hashtag and finding more topics in your niche. Here I can get the help of Gemini AI for generative description. Gemini AI is better than ChatGPT, and if you want to know why, then you can watch this video where I unreveal the capability of Gemini AI. Well, let's come back to the topic. Simply copy this prompt which is shown on your screen from the description, and you just need to replace these 3 lines with your own. These 3 lines describe your video in your language, what knowledge you share in your video. Simply copy it and paste it on Gemini AI, and after some time it will generate your description. Now it is time to generate relevant hashtags for your video. So we will go to rapidtext.io. This is website where you just need to your video title to generate hashtags. And this is all about how I generate SEO friendly description and title with proper research. Well, this is my style, how I do it by using AI tools and my prompt writing skills. And I am really proud to say that my all subscribers are genuine because I earned them by my content from zero. And I believe that if I give them a quality content, then absolutely They will give me their support in my YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure hit like button, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.